In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Starbucks rewards. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so open up Starbucks as you normally would, and then make a purchase. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on order now. I'm going to choose my store for this demonstration. Now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to order some bakery. So I'm going to order this butter croissant. Click add to order. Now from here I want to view my order. So I'm going to click on one. Alright, now I'm at the review order page. And now under where it says your items, it says redeem rewards. So go ahead and click onto that. You need to log in, and then once you've logged in, if you got any rewards, it's going to give you the option to redeem some of those rewards or all of them. And then from there, just go ahead and continue with your order. So whatever your rewards comes to, it's going to subtract off of your total order.